Friends, I am Professor Poonam Thete. Today we are discuss the poem on the grasshopper and the cricket by John Keats. The poetry of the earth is this image is the grasshopper. The poetry of earth is never dead when all the birds are faint with the hot sun and hide in cooling trees. A voice will run from hedge to hedge about the new morn made. That is the grasshopper's. He takes the lead in summer luxury. He has never done with his delight. For when tired out with fun, he rests at ease beneath some pleasant field. The poetry of earth is ceasing never on alone. Winter evening when the frost has brought a silence from the stove there still. The cricket song is warmth, increasing ever and seems to one in down drawn scenes half lost the grasshoppers among some grassy hills on the grasshopper it is the grasshopper and the cricket by John Keats. Grasshopper it means summer hot. Okay, John Keats compared the grasshopper as a summer season and cricket is the winter season. In this way, the piece of sonnet written in December 1860. The poem was inspired by the beauty of nature, the most of common theme among the romantic poet to be precise. The poet here celebrates the poetry of earth, music of nature, which is omnipresent. Two opening lines, octave and sestet. The poetry of the earth is never dead. The poetry of the earth is ceasing never. Say it all. On the grasshopper and the cricket, John Keats, the sonnet. Keats introduced two little creatures, the grasshopper and the cricket. As the title of the poem suggests and represent the vitality and joyous mood of nature even in the scorching hot of summer and in bleak and bitter cold of winter. The sonnet is all about how the grasshopper and the cricket carry on with the endless song of the earth. In the first stanza, there is the in its from Keats' poem is Petrarchon Italian sonnet with the rhyme scheme ABB AA CD CD iambic pentameter lines run through the entire poem while the octet concentrates on the grasshopper's voice in summer. Sestet deals with the cricket song in winter. Poet compared the two seasons, summer season and winter season. First is the in the lines first there is the summer season and next stanza there is the winter season octet and sestet. The sonnet opens with the poet asserting that the poetry of earth, the voice of nature is always live, even when all the singing birds are tired in the hot summer and take shelter under the shady branches of trees. The nature song can still be heard, a voice which runs then the hedge to hedge and around the freshly cut grasslands in the grasshopper. The grasshopper has the luxury of taking over the duty of carrying on the everlasting song of earth in summer, as he is never done with his delight. The grasshopper is fun loving, cheerful summer. Of the contrary, there is winter season. Poet repeats main theme of sonnet in the cricket through the cricket. Earth never comes to an end. Isolate winter evening Frost has put everyone and everything to silent mode. In the winter season, can still hear the song of cricket coming from the stove. So the chilly atmosphere forces the cricket to seek warmth indoors, but cannot stop his music. Rather, his music gets louder with time. To a man who is feeling sleepy, the cricket song sounds like the grasshopper voice among the some grassy hills. The poet means that people like to feel the warmth of summer, even a bleak winter, by mistaking the cricket song is for the grasshopper. In this way, the poet tells us about the grasshopper and the cricket compared to the season summer and winter. Thank you friends. Please subscribe to our channel and like to our channel. Thank you.